Hike number 2 of the day, just got to Yant Flats. Pretty cool area. Got to be careful on this trail. A lot of these washout areas where the footing looks solid, but you step on it and it's like 4 inches of mud. So I'm not really sure how well known of a hike this is. It was about an hour and 5 minutes from my hotel out by Zion. Pretty easy driving until the last 9 miles, and you get on these back roads and it's muddy and rocky, and I had to power through a couple of mud spots. So I gotta make sure I take my car back to the car wash before I return to the rental car. Probably not gonna be very happy with me, but well, I think I answered my own question. Seems to be a pretty popular hike. Tons of footprints. How freaking cool. Gotta give love to my wife, Annie. She's at home working, taking care of the farm animals. She always encourages me to come out and do stuff. So she lets me hike. I leave her multiple times a year for a few days, and she's probably happy to get rid of me, honestly. But, you know, I still miss you every day. Love you. Look at this friggin' place. So yeah, Yant Flats, I think it's a A+ for me. Quite the difference from what I did this morning. Hard to believe I was on Angel's Landing this morning at like 9 a.m. This hike definitely does not disappoint. If you want to get away from Zion and the hustle bustle people, come out to Yant Flat.